Okay, we'll quickly go through this set of pseudocodes. If you can see here, we have a recursive function which starts here and ends here, right? The recursive function initial call has been done here with the input value as 4, which will go for assigned to x variable, and we have base condition here, right? If it is 1, it will return 1, or else it will go for this x plus recursive value. A recursive function is going to be invoked. So since we have recursive function, we'll go for execution start, and then first f of 4 is going to be invoked. So it will go for check whether x value, that is 4, equal to 1. No, it will go for invoke this one, so which means 4 plus again f of 3, that is x minus 1. So it will go for check no, 3 plus, it will go for f of 2. 2 is equal to 1. No, it will go for 2 plus f of 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Yeah, so this will return 1. So 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. So this is going to return 3. 3 plus 3, it is going to return 6. 6 plus 4, it is going to return 10. So the answer for this particular question is 10. So option A is the right answer, right? So we'll go with the next question. Second question, what will be the output of this particular pseudocode? And if you can see here, we have a while loop which starts here, ends here, right? So x value, that is 5. 5 is greater than 0, true. It will go for print this 5. Again, x value is being incremented, it will become 6. 6 is greater than 0, true. So again increment 7. 7 is greater than 0, true. 8. So always it is greater than, it is incrementing only, right? It is not coming towards 0 so that it is going to terminate. So that is why it is going to be a infinite loop. So this is the right answer for this particular question. Okay, we'll quickly go through question number 3. If you can see here, we have 3 boolean values: a initialized with true, b initialized with false, c initialized with true. So if you can see here, a is true, right? True and b is false. So if any one is false, we'll go for get it as false only, right? And we have or in which c is true, not of true, it is going to be false. False or false is going to be false, so it will not go for this, it will jump for the next expression. B is false, c is true, any one is true, so it will go for print b as a output. Okay, so this is what the answer for the question 3. We'll go for fourth question. And if you can see here, we have a variable sum which has been initialized with 0. We have for loop which starts here, ends here, and we are taking a decision whether we need to update the sum value or not. So the condition is if I mod 2 equal to 1 means if I is odd value, we need to increment the sum. If you consider the I value, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 1, 3, 5 as odd value. If you go for add, it is going to be 9. So option A is the right answer. 9 is the right answer. We'll go to the fifth question for this pseudocode section. What will be the final value of total? We need to find out the value in total, which has been total initialized to 0. Again you can see for loop which starts here, ends here, nested for loop which starts here, ends here, and we are taking decision over here. So if I equal to j, we are adding I to total, or other case we'll go for add j to total. See, but I equal to j means we can also add j, so which means every time we are adding j, as simple as that. Only thing is I is running for 1, 2 and 3, j is running for 1, 2 and 3. So what we are doing, every time we are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. See, j value is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is going to be 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is going to be 18, is the right answer. Thank you for listening.